welcome to another video from Epic Gamer 24. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to download and use YouTube Studio from the App Store. So firstly you need to search up, the usual. I've already got it installed, so let's just open it, shall we? Yeah, we shall. Yeah, so then when you open it, you'll need to sign in to your Google account here, please subscribe. And then down here you can see like your watch time, subscribers. You can click on view more. This is where you can see all your videos, like Sam. Cool, aim at that guy. Yeah, I think this is better on like PC. And here's your content. You can sort it by stuff. In your live, if you don't have any videos, might make some soon. The shorts. There's the analytics, however you say them. Oh, I've got a lot of views actually. Thank you guys. Yeah, and then there's the reach and engagement and oh, I have big Minecraft play. There's stuff. Most people are from America. Guys, subscribe. And then you can see like the comments and stuff, like it's Dave and I'm Patel23. They're really nice, so go and subscribe to them. Then here's all your playlists. Okay, and you can also search playlists, and yeah, that's it really. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.